equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new battery compatible with the Dyson DC45. You can find these batteries at various retailers or online. First, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 2 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover away from the vacuum. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now, you should see the battery compartment. The battery is held in place by a couple of clips. Press these clips down and slide the battery out. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and slide it into the compartment, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Double check that the clips are holding the battery firmly. Next, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing it back into place. Reinsert the 2 Phillips screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. After securing the cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson DC45. If you're unsure about any step or feel this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson DC45. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We provide no calls, no travel services, making it convenient for you to get help without the hassle. And that's it. You've completed the battery replacement. Enjoy the renewed power of your Dyson DC45 vacuum cleaner. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.